Moriyama's philosophy. Antoni Gaudí wanted to make a forest in the city. Moriyama wanted to make forests in the sea. He wanted the coexistence of the sea and the mountains. The gentle breeze from the sea raised the mountain. The water that comes from the mountains becomes a river and flows into the sea. Not just the life of the sea. We created a place to talk about the cycle of life. We hope that smiles will gather in the shade of the trees in the sea. With Concierge, both his grandfather and father listened to the voices of trees. As a third generation of Moriyama Meibok, he continues to study as a Meibok master who conveys the charm of trees to everyone. Starting with a single plate table full of older furniture, famous wooden houses, shrines and temples, sculptures of Buddhist statues, etc. to meet your needs.